Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to replace front turn signal bulbs in 2016 Scion TC. Open the hood. The turn signal bulb is accessible from here, so in the back of the light assembly. This is the one that we are looking for. So you'll have to turn it counterclockwise and then pull it out. And this is our bulb. To remove this bulb, you'll have to press on the bulb and then turn counterclockwise, and this will allow us to take it out. I'll show you guys how it looks. The size for this one is 1156 NA. Insert the new bulb like this, and then again push and now turn clockwise. Now the bulb sits securely inside, and reinsert it right here. Align it properly, find the position for the bulb, and then turn clockwise, and that's it. Replacement for this side is complete. The other side gets done in a very similar manner. The bulb is in a similar location. Again, you can reach it from the top, turn counterclockwise, and pull it out like this. Then press remove, and again insert the new one like that. Insert the bulb, find the position for it, then turn clockwise. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. We'll see you in the next one.